And one of the things, by the way, people should realize, one of the things that we considered, one, aspirant Museveni Yoweri Kaguta is a crowd puller. Kyagulanyi Ssentamu is a crowd puller. Now, if you have people who are prone or who have the propensity to pull big crowds coming on the same day, then you're going almost to paralyze the places because of these big crowds. So we said, no, since these people have the propensity to attract big crowds, let one come on this day and another one comes on this day. But